Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Kuswa and today our topic is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that means one name and many forms. It allows the same function method or operator to behave differently based on the object or the situation. Polymorphism helps in achieving flexibility, code reusability, and easier maintenance. There are two main types of polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism and second is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is a two types, function overloading and second is operator overloading. Runtime polymorphism is function overriding using virtual function. This is the program of polymorphism. First is compile time polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism is a type of polymorphism where the function call is resolved during compile time. It allows multiple functions to have the same name but different parameter or behaviors. There are two main types, function overloading and second is operator overloading. So function overloading allow multiple functions to have the same name but different number or different parameters. This is the program of function overloading. And second is operator overloading. Operator overloading allow a programmer to redefine the behavior of an operator like plus, minus, equals to, and plus plus for user defined data type. This is the program of operator overloading. Runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is a type of polymorphism in which function call is resolved at a runtime while the program is executing. It is achieved through function overriding and virtual function. Function overriding. When a derived class provides its own definition of a function that already exists in the base class with the same name, same parameters, and same return type. Virtual function. A virtual function declared in the base class using the virtual keywords which allows C++ to decide at runtime which version of the function base or derived to class to call. Thank you.